Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn our new lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned about some helping parts of a computer and storage devices. And in this video we will learn about uses of a computer. Dear students, I help you to do so many things. I help you to watch videos, play games and listen to music. I help at home. Computers are used for writing letters, stories, and poems. Computers are used for playing games. Computers are used for listening to music, watching videos, and making animated films. Computers, like calculators, are used for doing calculations. Computers help you to draw beautiful pictures and color them too. I help in schools. Computers are used for teaching. Computers are used for keeping records of library books and preparing notes, worksheets, and reports. I help in hospitals. Computers are used for keeping records of patients. Computers are used to diagnose illness. I help in railway stations and airports. Computers are used for keeping records of arrival and departure timings. Computers are used for booking tickets when we want to travel. I help in banks. Computers are used for managing customers' accounts. Computers are used to withdraw money from ATMs. I help in offices. Computers are used for sending and receiving mails. Computers are used for keeping records of employees. I help in shops. Computers are used for calculating bills. Computers are used for keeping records of goods. So dear students, in this video we have learned about where we can use computers. We can use computers at home, in schools, in hospitals, at railway stations and airports, in banks, in offices and in shops. So dear students, watch the video carefully. It will help you to understand the lesson.